Adventurers, so we are in Toronto, and this is the first leg of our three-legged trip. You know what they say about three-legged races? It takes teamwork, and I think that's going to be what we're going to learn on this adventure, is that there's going to be a lot of this adventure that's going to be all about teamwork. So let's get going. I'm Jay.
I'm Laura.
And we're the LANMonkeys. We're two crazy Canadian cachers traveling the world, finding amazing experiences using geocaching as our tour guide.
Our first physical find here in Buenos Aires in Argentina. That one was a little tricky. The coordinates are not really precise, to be generous. What do you think? We got it. All right, we're signed in. Hey adventurers, so we are here in the Capitol Square, and this is the location of one of the virtual caches, well, the one virtual cache we know of in downtown Buenos Aires. And the idea is take a photo of yourself here with the pink house in the background. Now, interesting fact we just learned, the reason it's pink originally, now it's just repainted pink, but originally it's pink because the whitewash they used to paint the building, the whitewash had a sealant in it made of rendered pig fat that had some blood in it, therefore a pink hue. Therefore a pink hue to the thank you to the building itself. Pretty cool. What do you think?
Yeah.
Neat facts?
Neat facts.
All right. And beautiful location, beautiful day. Let's go check out some more stuff in downtown Buenos Aires. And just 100 or so meters away is the location of a geocache, and I see a whole lot of people here searching. Let's find out if they found it yet. Well, adventurers, sadly that was a DNF. No find there, but we're still having a great time exploring Buenos Aires, dodging tour buses, and finding interesting things to see. All right, adventurers, well, we are walking through one of the most famous tourist locations in the city here. It's the cemetery, but it's more than just your average cemetery. The cool thing about this location is that it's an AL that guides you around and takes you to some really interesting spots. So as we've said before, teamwork is kind of what makes this trip work. And we've teamed up with some other geocachers here who are on the trip to finish the AL. But my goodness, what an amazing, amazing place. Hey adventurers, so this is one of the places I definitely wanted to get to. This is the bookstore, La Slendid, El Ateneo, that used to be a theater. And it is pretty breathtaking as a bookstore. This is one of my must-see places while we're here in Buenos Aires. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I am. So walking along the riverfront here in the old pier area is also the hot spots for all the restaurants, and just a beautiful location today. Just a little bit more time in Buenos Aires to enjoy this beautiful location.